So next question for the both of you. Kamusta yung naging adjustment nyo as a couple?
Yeah, to be honest, very smooth yung naging adjustment namin. Actually, we were surprised kasi nung pagdating namin dito, it feels like nagbabakasyon lang kaming dalawa.
Wow.
It's because maybe handa kami mentally and then physically and financially. Kaya mas naging ganun yung adjustment period namin. So, hindi kami ganun na homesick. It's because we keep ourselves busy. And then, we really look for opportunities na magkaroon agad ng work. I-ready ako sa school.
Yes.
And then, we actually try to explore na yung place right away.
Ang galing. Nakakatawa lang kasi yung pag-iikot dito is part na rin ng parang trying to find opportunities as well.
Yes.
Parang on the side, nakakapaggala. Tapos on the side, parang nakakabisa ko na rin ang bakasyon. Nakakabisado ko na rin yung lugar.
Yes.
Di ba? Next question, Miss Charlene.